think?
Climate dance.
Yeah, we've done the safety dance, and now it's a very good suggestion. Okay, let's do it.
I hope this one doesn't hurt Caputo so much, because I looked across and Caputo was just staring through us all, thinking, what's that?
Let me tell you about the climate dance, it's easy to do. You're nervous and you're jumpy cause this world's nearly through. So down some more tea, watch some foreign TV. Put your mind on anything but the truth. The leader's got a climate dance, it's easy to do. You grab hold of the treaty, then you tear it in two. Then go back to your people and spin me all about how the earth ain't gonna come to no harm. We gotta cut our emissions by 95%. You can fritter your money, but I tell you we're already spent. Business got a climate dance, it's easy to do. Cause all the politicians gonna dance to your tune. And you get the statistics and give them a skew, so you can get away from paying your dues. Campaigners got a climate dance like some rapping crew. You're talking, then you're talking, then you'll talk till you're blue. I'm going blue. It's only when you sabotage the machine that you ever get a word out of you. Gotta cut our emissions by 95%. Can pretty your money, but I tell you we're already spent. Warning shots across the bow. Say nature's getting angry now. And look around the plastic world we made. The righteous got a climate dance, it's easy to do. They simply nod their heads and say, well, I always knew. But the knowledge is wasted when you don't react. So just what good's it ever gonna do you?
Absolutely nothing.
We all have got a climate dance, it's easy to do. But we gotta do it quick or else this disco is through. Spreading the action, the deeds and the word. We gotta get the message and get it heard. We gotta cut our emissions by 95%. And pretty your money, but I tell you I already spent. We gotta cut our emissions by 95%. You can pretty your money, but I tell you we're already spent. You got grey old Tories caning green trees for logos. You got big bad BPUs and sunflowers like fig leaves. You got frackers and fakers pumping bullshit out of ground just for us. You can waste your fire on message boards with delays and denies brandish swords. You can cook up a carbon trading rules, profit from polluting with fossil fuels. You can shout at the wall or strike at the state, but you gotta do your dance if you wanna be safe. Be safe. Save me! Save. Save me! Save. Save me! Save me! Save me! Not there, not all around me! I don't know. British band Keshko wrote a song about the climate in 2002 And the British government has still not heeded their sterling advice to cut all emissions by 95%.
Yours disgusted of Tunbridge Wells.
What do we think?
Climate dance.
Yeah, we've done the safety dance, and now it's a very good suggestion. Okay, let's do it.